my physical and chemical changes experiment. We are making a fried egg or in toast, or if you're watching, hopefully you learned something. My experiment shows both chemical and physical changes. How do I know this? Well, a chemical change is when a new substance is produced. A physical change is when the appearance of matter has changed. Usually, a chemical change is non-reversible, but there are sometimes some non-reversible physical changes too. Now, let's get on to the experiment. Okay, so first we need an egg. What are eggs usually used for? Cooking or baking. And now we need oil. We also need a reliable cooking source, like a stove, which is right in front of me. Since we now have all of our supplies, with the pan and oil in the pan and stuff, we can now start cooking. So, I am going to grab this egg. What are some properties of this egg? What even is a property? Well, a property is a physical characteristic. Anyway, if you feel the egg is smooth, hard, and its clarity is opaque. What is clarity? Clarity is how clear or transparent an object is. Take water, for example. Hopefully everybody here should know that water is clear. Anyway, that means it has good clarity. But if you take an egg, like the egg I'm holding, can you see through the egg? No, that means its clarity is opaque. Anyway, let's get back to the experiment. So, if I take the egg and smack it against the pan, it will crack. So, that is an example of a physical change. A new substance was not formed, so therefore it is a physical change. Now, if we had heat to the cracked egg on the pan, little bubbles will start to form on the surface of the egg, as you can see right about here. Anyway, the heat will change the egg from a liquid to a solid. Also, this change cannot be reversed. Therefore, it is a chemical change. Now you got yourselves a fried egg. But wait, we aren't done yet. Now, let's grab a piece of bread. What are the properties of the bread? Bread is squishy, rough, and it can be easily broken. For that reason, bread is somewhat brittle. When we cook the bread, we are adding heat, which makes the outside of the bread crispy. That change is irreversible, and its properties are changing, making it another chemical change. Now you got yourselves a fried egg and toast. Now, while we are eating it, let's talk about the impacts that making this tasty dish did to the environment. If you think about it, mostly nothing. But what is a stove powered by? Electricity. And what does electricity come from? Power. And what are some types of power? Well, let's see. There's wind, hydro, solar, nuclear, coal, etc. Blah, blah, blah. We don't know which one it is. Let's assume it was powered by coal. When you burn something, you let out smoke into the air. And smoke has carbon dioxide, which is the gas we breathe out. That causes pollution, which is why it's bad for the environment. Also, fried eggs are food, and which is why fried eggs may save your life one day. And besides, it's food. So what? You never know. Anyway, thank you for watching. Bye!